Essex, and I am your network marketing, affiliate marketing, online success connection. Welcome to my channel. Our channel is all about giving reviews on company, tools, and products in our industry. We deal primarily with how to make money with network marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to generate unlimited leads for your home-based business. Every day we give a review so that you can make a well-informed decision. If you are interested in any of these topics, feel free to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and also to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified every day when we release our videos. With that being said, guys, let's get into today's review. Hello guys, this is Sandra Essex, and the company that we will be reviewing today is called Usana. Usana is a health and wellness MLM company. It was founded in 1992. Their founder is a Myron Wentz, W-E-N-T-Z, and their corporate office is located in Utah. As I stated, it is a MLM, health and wellness company, and they have tapped into the health and wellness industry, which is over a $4 trillion business. Right here, we're looking at their corporate website, and just reviewing their corporate website is very eye-catching. It's free and easy to navigate through. It tells a little bit when you go to their site about all the products that you can shop from. It's a company called Live Usana, where they do benefits and give back to different countries. So this is one of their projects that they work on to give back. They have a lot of science research here. You can get information here if you're interested in selling Usana. This link right here tells a little bit about their company, and also it gives here all the different projects that they're involved in to give back. So it's a very well organized company, and again, it's been in effect in existence since 1992. So this right here is just a quick look at their corporate website. Now again, telling you a little bit about Usana. Usana Health, or Usana, is Utah-based multi-level marketing company that produces various nutritional products. It is listed in the Better Business Bureau, and it does have a good rating in the Better Business Bureau. And their mission statement over here is, I dream of a world free of pain and suffering. I dream of a world free from disease. The Usana family will be the healthiest family on earth. Share my vision, love life, and live it to the fullest in happiness and health. So this is their mission statement for Dr. Wentz, and he's their founder. Let's talk a little bit about their products. It is so many products that we can't go really in depth with their products, but they have over 150 products, which are way too many for me to cover in this short YouTube video, but I would like to give you a short breakdown. They have nutritional supplements, and here you find the usual assortments of vitamins, supplements, and made from their special formula. They have diet and energy. This category carries the main dieting stuff that you would use to lose weight. Also, they have a category of personal care, and here you'll have your skin care, your cleaners, your moisturizers, your skin renewal, skin treatment, hair and body care. So this right here is the categories of the Usana products, and as I stated, they have over 150 products. So let's talk about, if we talked about their products, so you also might be interested in learning what it takes to sell and work for Usana as an independent distributor. Their business opportunity is relatively low to initially get started. To become an associate, you have to pay $29.95 for the startup kit, and you have an annual $20 yearly. After your year anniversary, every year you pay $20 to renew your membership. And in order to start building a business, that's when you start wanting to build a business and introduce your product and company to other people, where you can make money from referral and residual income. They have 3 different levels that you can get into as their independent consultants. You have the basic business pack with the preferred price of $305. You have the entrepreneur pack, which costs you $625 to get in, and then you have the professional pack that costs you roughly $1,250. So roughly you can get into this business anywhere from $300 all the way up to almost $1,300. Now if you don't have $300 all the way up to $1,300, they do have a special way that you can get in, where you purchase at least 200 points of the products, and that's roughly $240. That gets you started as a business consultant, and then from there on, every month you have to purchase at least $120 worth of products. So this right here is the basics of what it takes to get involved with Usana. So let's take a little bit look at their compensation plan. Now again, here's their compensation plan. We're just going to do a cursory overview of the compensation plan. I really advise you that if you're interested in getting and want more information and thinking about getting involved with Usana as a business opportunity, I would strongly suggest that you do visit their website and take a tour, because it's a lot of information here that can answer any of your in-depth questions on this company. Now looking at their compensation plan, I see that it is a binary. And what I mean by a binary is that you have to bring in 2 people, you bring in 2 people, and then they bring in 2 people, and everybody brings in 2 people, and it goes down. Then you have, that's your left side. Then you have your right side, and the same thing starts, that you have brought in a person on your right side, and they start duplicating. Now, I've been in network marketing for quite a few years. I have been in my last 2 companies one of the top producers in the company, so I do have a lot of experience in the network marketing arena, and I have started from the bottom and worked myself up to really learn and master this industry. And myself, I always had problems with the binary. I'm just talking from personal experience, because to get paid your commission, you have 2 legs, and you get paid on either the left or right leg, and this might be the right leg, and that to me was always the weak leg, and I could never get it to match up. So a binary compensation plan is complicated, and sometimes it's also hard to build, but people are making good money with Usana, so it's not impossible. But I just wanted to bring that to your attention, that the comp plan is a binary comp plan. Now, with that being said, we've talked about their products, we talked about the founding of the company, and let's talk a little bit about, if you're interested in building a business with Usana, let's go over the pros and cons of this company. Now, me myself, as a person who's just giving a review on Usana, I am not affiliated with Usana. I have never been affiliated with Usana, but I am just giving a general review on this company. It's a good company. It's been in effect since 1992. It does have a good rating with the Better Business Bureau, but I'd like to talk a little bit about the pros and cons. On the pro side, I see that they are high quality products. They are listed, as I said, a couple times with the Better Business Bureau, and they do have a good rating with the Better Business Bureau. Their products are name recognized by athletes, so you do have a lot of recognition about their products, and they are well known. Some of the cons that I see is that you have to, if you're interested in being in business, you're going to have to purchase a certain amount of products every month. That's regardless whether you use them or you sell them. To be in business, you're going to have a personal volume every month that you have to meet. A con to me is the binary comp plan, because me, myself, and a lot of people in the industry are really not comfortable with the binary compensation plan, but people do make money with the compensation plan. Another con is that you're going to have to sell or recruit a lot of people to be able to start generating income, but that's in any multi-level marketing or network marketing company. And just looking at this, and a lot of people, I really feel for a lot of people, because a lot of people get involved in these type of companies. They're really excited. They showed all the big people walking across the stage with these big checks, and you're signing up excited, and they're telling you, oh, just make a list, contact your family and friends, and you're going to be rich. Well, like I said, I have been in this industry for numerous years, and it doesn't really work that way. I brought in my family and friends, and trust me, they were the first people to really drop out of the business. So I have never built a company or a profitable business with just family and friends. What you're going to have to do if you're interested and serious about building a business with Usana is that you're going to have to learn how to brand yourself. You're going to have to learn how to generate leads every day. And when I say generate leads every day, that does not mean that every day somebody's signing up in your business. No, you have to get a lot of people in front of your product or your opportunity for them to see if they're interested or if they're not. Because what they say in the industry is some will, some won't, so what next? You have to have that position and that posture to keep on recruiting and have a system in place where you can put constant new blood in front of your business every day. So that's my suggestion of what you need to do to be successful in this business. And if you're interested in learning how you can have free leads coming to look at your business, whether it's Usana or any business, if you need leads, there'll be a link at the bottom of this video in the description section where you can take a look at how you can generate unlimited leads daily for free. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have found some value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Also, could you please leave a comment and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, because I do respond to all my questions and comments. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below this video. Feel free to take a look. If you have any questions, get back with me. As I stated before, I do respond to all my questions and comments. So with that being said, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Be sure again to subscribe to my channel if you did find value. Also hit the bell icon notification so that you will be notified when I release my daily videos. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, take care, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next review.